I'm glad you say layers because it is not a cut and dry situation. It's not just one thing we have to worry about. Let's start with the most severe or the most serious, and that is a tornado watch from now until 10 p.m. Maryville, Tarkio, St. Joseph westward, including, say, the city of Atchison, also out toward Hiawatha, and points to the west of that, even out toward Manhattan, Kansas. Thunderstorms are just starting to percolate, as Johnny was talking about. What we already have going on is not severe, but down to the south, just focusing down toward Bates County near Butler and also Amoret. You see some showers. Lighter heading toward Clinton, Missouri as well. Otherwise, the farther north you travel, the more likely you're staying dry, but that may not be the case later on this evening as we're looking for thunderstorms to pop up and all this heat and humidity that Johnny was talking about too. It is just very heavy. City view camera, you can see just puffs of clouds, but nothing is really too organized. Current temperature 85 degrees. Humidity at 72% with a south to southeast wind at 9 miles per hour. Atmosphere is just ripe. 90 out toward Lawrence, closer to that tornado watch. Leavenworth at 85. St. Joseph in the watch at 83 degrees. Winds will continue out of the south and southwest. And here it is on First Alert Clouds and Radar. As we talked about this morning with Nick and Katie, they said if we break out into total sunshine, that's not a good thing, especially with an approaching front. And that's part of the reason why this is the area earmarked for the better chances for tornado threat, damaging winds and damaging hail. By the time they get to the Missouri side and after the sun goes down, I think the tornado threat also goes down, but still got to keep our guard up for the possibility of gusty winds, hail, and flooding. Temperatures will still go through the 80s, and we're looking for those rain showers to get closer to the metro later on this evening and then continue through the overnight hours. By 11 p.m. we'll be down to about 79 degrees. So just to summarize for you, between 5 and 10 the most critical hours, I'd say wind, hail, tornado possibility until about 8 or so, then that shuts down. And then the flooding threat overnight with 2 to 4 inches of rainfall possible. 12-hour forecast because we get to do it all over again tomorrow. Spotty showers in the morning, break in the afternoon, at least midday. Then another chance of severe weather with thunderstorms. Maybe not quite as widespread. High temperature approaching 90 degrees. So let's take a look at First Alert Future Scan. Look at this explosive activity, especially toward later on this evening. With this bow echo, that could be some gusty winds moving down toward Warrensburg and Clinton closer to midnight. 3 or 4 in the morning, heavy torrential rainfall. Not as much on the wind and hail threat, but still that'll be a good chance of some soggy conditions, and that could be very serious with regard to flooding. Another First Alert weather day, 2 in a row. That'll be Friday, 75 to 91 degrees. Saturday, I was going to be optimistic, but it looks like there's a good chance of some of that rain and thunderstorms holding on longer than midday. So it's kind of soggy on Saturday, high of 84, 83 on Sunday, leftovers then. Monday, a chance of thunderstorms. Tuesday, not as much. Wednesday, the same. So we're not totally done with the rain, but it'll be more spotty by that time. And temperatures moderating back to the mid to upper 80s and low temperatures in the 60s.